this extremely risky adventure. So that's where companies come from, and trusts go back literally to the Middle Ages. We entrusted people with our properties. We ran off to, that's where the problems in the Middle East came. We trusted our people with our property, we ran off to go on crusade. So we had trust that come back. And in the past, this has been the, most people who've used this have been rich people. They use irrevocable trust. I mean, in one of the Kennedy, I think one of the Kennedy-Smith trials that we had, it came out he was the beneficiary of 252 trusts that have been going on for the past 60 years. I have friends that have trusts that have gone on from the days when the railroads first came out. They still get checks from a trust from when the railroads first started to go across of America. So that's where all the rich people, way back, the robber barons, use these. But nowadays, average people can use the same actual techniques and tools that the mega rich have used. And we recommend they should, because it's, again, it's a tool. Mm-hmm. If you have to saw wood, you don't get a hammer out. Common sense. We just go ahead and we grab our tool out and say, we're going to use an LLC in this, which for people listening may be a limited liability company. In different states, they call them different things, or we call them, or another one's an FLP, Family Limited Partnership. But we have our tools. We say, this is a tool we want to use for here after looking at your particular situation, and this is how we use it. And then the client has to make the decision if they're comfortable with that. So let's just keep talking about some of the family.
Okay, thank you for that. And should we discuss charging orders?
I think we should.
Okay. One of the...
Well, let me just jump in. I always jump in because we can talk about all this stuff, but most of it is used wrong. This is what we're bringing, and you're going to be able to bring to your clients. Everybody knows about companies. Now people know about limited liability companies. Everybody knows about revocable trust. There's seminars every week on it. But everything that is sold now is used wrong when it comes to asset protection planning. And just with a couple things you're going to be able to do for your clients and that we can do for them, we can actually strengthen that. It's like building a huge wall only on one side of your castle. We just come around the back. We have to complete the wall. Right. So that's what Charlie's going to talk about now.
All right, well, let's talk about what a charging order is. It's a fun little thing that everybody talks about when you're dealing with asset protection. And many people in the business think this is the holy grail of asset protection. If you can put everything behind charging orders, then everything is safe. Well, it's certainly a lot safer than not putting it behind charging orders, but this can be overdone as well. And it's not, there's a whole bunch of tools we can use. This is just one small one, but it's good in a lot of circumstances. Anything taxable as a limited partnership, a limited liability company, or a family limited partnership, has what's called charging order protection in just about every state of the union. This is a state law, and you can go to your state website and see and check it out and verify it for yourself. This is a state law, and it varies by state. But what it means is, history of it, if I may.